Let's review how to use the accordions on the help page of Toolkit.law. Select the Help section, then open the Accordions accordion. Here, you'll learn how Toolkit.law's proprietary accordion interface organizes access to more than 1,500 tools, calculators, utilities, and resources. Accordions vertically expand and collapse, giving you a clean, structured way to browse without switching pages. Opening a new accordion automatically closes the previous one and saves its content, ensuring your workflow stays consistent and uninterrupted. Below each expanded accordion is the accordion content area. This is where you access your tools, calculators, webinars, and additional content organized for both professional and personal use. On the left side of every accordion is the accordion title bar, the name of the category you're entering. On the right side is the accordion toolbar, which includes quick access features such as email, feedback, and web link copying. Toolkit.law's accordions are optimized for desktop, phone, and tablet use, giving you a unified navigation experience across all devices. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's accordions.